Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to add a white background in Adobe Premiere. Begin by jumping over to the project panel. Click on the new item button down here and select Color Matte. The default settings will work fine here, but feel free to adjust them to suit your needs. Hit OK. Next, a color picker will pop up. Drag the color picker down to the bottom left corner to choose a white color. Now hit OK. You now have the option to name your color matte, but I'm going to just hit OK here. Back in the project panel, you'll now see a new color matte. Click and drag it onto your timeline. Now you have a white background. To adjust the duration of your color matte, simply drag the end of the clip to suit your needs. Now you can add text, images, or whatever you desire over top of the white background. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.